This pancake is so incredibly crunchy, I'm pretty sure the bite I'm taking just registered on the local seismic meters. I'm at Bánh Xèo Bà Dưỡng, the undisputed heavyweight champion of crispy pancakes and lemongrass pork in Danang. Grab your rice paper, because this is the ultimate street food construction project. Tucked down a buzzing alleyway, Bà Dưỡng is the local institution that's always packed to the brim. We've ordered the classic combo: Banh Xeo, which are sizzling rice flour pancakes tinted bright yellow with turmeric, and Nem Lui, minced pork skewers grilled beautifully over hot charcoal. This meal is a full-body Jane Fonda culinary workout. Alright, time to build a weapon. Step 1. Lay down your rice paper. Step 2. Add a piece of that beautifully yellow, shatteringly crisp pancake. Step 3. Add in your veggies, herbs and condiments and roll like a burrito. Now we dip it deep into their legendary viscous sauce. This is a rich, warm reduction of pork liver, roasted peanuts and sesame seeds. It's meaty, rich and pungent. There are so many textures in one bite, it's like visiting every collection in an art gallery all at once. You get the loud, dramatic crunch of the pancake shell, the freshness of the herbs, and then that velvet, nutty, savoury punch from the sauce. It's absolute flavour warfare. And for the Nem Lui, it's the same process, but clamp it inside the roll and pull that lemongrass stalk right out. If you aren't completely covered in peanut sauce and rice paper crumbs by the end of this, you did it wrong. It's chaotic, it's messy, and it's easily one of the best bites in all of Vietnam. So are you team sweet and sour fish sauce, or team thick peanut liver sauce? Let me know in the comments below. And smash that subscribe button for more messy food hunts across Da Nang. And I'll see you in the next alleyway. Until then, adios!